Here I have Micromax Bolt Q346, and let me show you how to check IMEI number and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's activate the keypad and let's use the secret code *##06#, and as you can see, the IMEI number just pops up in front of you. So that's it. Now let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number. Let's use the apps icon, find and select here the settings right here. Scroll down and choose here about phone. Now select status, and here you've got access to Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi MAC address, the serial number, and if you tap the SIM status, here you should also find the IMEI number. Sometimes it should pop up right here, or if not, you can also check out by using the secret code. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.